Well, here at the drive-in, there is an old sign. It's a state of Nevada shape, but all of the other little signs are gone. This is like when you enter a community and they tell you what churches are there, what community clubs, etc. So this one isn't being used anymore, and we put up a sticker a few years ago, and Dave put one up and Karen put one up. Karen's is a little sad, but they're still here. But since we have our new stickers, we thought we'd come and put a new one up. So you want to put it above the other one?
Sure.
Okay.
You're the boss. Put it where you want to. You stick it where you want to stick it.
Should I put it next to it or above it?
Whatever you think, boss lady.
Oh man. Okay. All right, I'm gonna put it next to ours.
All right.
Oh, nice, white. All right, Tom and Lori RV life. Life is short, make it sweet. There we go.
There you go. Congratulations.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
Well, good morning, everyone.
Cheers.
It's very early this morning. Well, for us, leaving at 7:45 in the morning. It is supposed to get very, very windy. It was pretty windy when we woke up, so we hurried up and got everything packed up. We are leaving Urington, the Sagecrest Drive-In, where we boondock on the BLM land here. We had a very nice 3-night stay, and now we are on our way to Hawthorne.
Another short jaunt.
Yep, an hour-ish or more.
Yeah.
About that.
It's less than 60 miles where we're going. That's our travel days.
I just wanna dance for the hell of it, hell of it. Wanna take a chance for the thrill of it, thrill of it. Wanna raise my hands 'cause I'm feeling it, feeling it. Are you feeling this? Are you feeling this? Oh, you only got one life, so make it feel like sunshine. I feel the sun on my face, it's a brand new day, and it's telling me it'll all be okay. All the clouds and the rain, that's of yesterday. Yeah, I'm telling you, it'll all be okay. It's a good day. It's a good day. I just wanna move to the rhythm of my own beat. Wanna clap my hands, flip my hair, stomp my feet. Wanna make 'em stare 'cause I'm radiant, radiant. Shining everywhere, shining everywhere. I feel the sun on my face, it's a brand new day, and it's telling me it'll all be okay. All the clouds and the rain, that's of yesterday. It's a good day. It's a good day. It's a good day.
We are arriving at the RV park, Whiskey Flats RV Park in Hawthorne, Nevada. We have stayed here many times. Even though we like to boondock mostly, but when we come through here, it's always cold, whether it be the autumn or whether it be spring. Oh, Kaylee knows we're at the end of the road.
Turn left on Lexington Avenue, then turn left.
We're here!
We made it. Well, we made it to Hawthorne.
Yeah, we made it to Hawthorne.
Hawthorne, Nevada.
That was our next destination, so we're here for a few days.
It was another 60-mile drive day today.
I love those.
Whew.
I love those.
I'm worn out.
We got here early. We left Urington early.
Super
early because it was going to be very windy. It was very windy when we were tearing down.
Yeah.
And we just figured we'd rather get here early and just sit and wait in the parking lot. We're very comfortable in our truck.
Yeah.
And so we did. We waited like over an hour or so.
Yeah.
Just kind of hung out and had a snack. And And then Tom just went to go ask him if it was okay, because the office wasn't even open yet. And we asked them if it was okay for us to park over in their big parking lot over here. And he ended up just checking us in.
This whole area over here. So
they were kind enough to let us go ahead and check in. Our spot was available. And because we told him that we were fine to just to sit there. We just wanted to make sure it was okay for us to be over there. And,
Whiskey Flats RV.
yeah.
It's a good place. It's got a nice little laundry mat. Okay, it's got a nice little laundromat. And it really doesn't have any other amenities. No pool, no nothing like that. No pickleball. It's got some horseshoe pits, and it's got a big area to walk your dog. In fact, anywhere around here you can walk your pets, but they got a great big area over there on the other side of that fence, way over there. It's all dirt, but at least they have it.
Yeah, the little grassy areas they don't want you walking the dog on.
Yeah.
But over along the street,
Yeah.
you can get away with it over there.
Yeah, it's not bad. Not bad at all. But anyway, we're here for just a few days, and then we move even further south.
Another hour.
Another hour.
So
one mile at a time, 1 hour at a time.
So for any of you that are new and you see me having earplugs in, you probably wonder, what does that girl have earplugs in her ears all the time?
She doesn't like to hear me belly aching all the time.
I can hear just fine. It's more to keep the wind out of my ears. I get earaches really, really easy, and that could lead to another illness. So I protect my ears.
Yeah.
I just wear them all the time. So anyhow, we're gonna go get some pizza later.
Yeah, we found a good pizza place in Hawthorne, so that's our yum supper tonight.
Yeah.
So there you go. Hey, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell in the wind. That way you get notified every time we put up a brand new video, which is every Saturday, sometimes Wednesdays now. Sometimes you get just bonus videos during the week like this.
It's gonna be too windy. You're gonna go. See ya.
Take your banner and raise